Hi there. Today I'd like to share with you another small Korvai or rhythmic composition as it's known in Carnatic music. The first phrase of this Korvai is Takadimi Takajunatam. The next phrase is Taka Takajunatam. The next phrase is Takajunatam, Dhinatam Tam, Tadinkitatum Tam, Tadinkitatum Tadinkitatum Tam, Tadinkitatum Tadinkitatum Tadinkitatum. That's basically the gist of this Korvai. So now let's put it together. One. Tak dhimi tak junatam, tak junatam, tak junatam, dhinatam tam, tadink kitatum ta, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum ta, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum, tak dhimi tak junata, tak junatam, tak junatam, dhinatam tam, tadink kitatum ta, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum ta, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum, tadink kitatum ta. So what's interesting is that you actually feel the groove of this Korvai or this composition with the takadimi takajun, takadimi takajun, takadimi takajun, because the ju on the upbeat of the second beat is felt takadimi takajun, takadimi takajun, and then in the end we have the tadinkitam tadinkitam tadinkitam. That's where the 4 goes to 6, whereas you say takadimi takajunatam. Each beat is subdivided in 4 there. But when you go to tadinkitam tadinkitam tadinkitam, then the beat gets subdivided into 6. So there's rhythmic modulation within this composition from subdividing the beat from 4 to 6. So that's the beauty of learning Konnakol, is that you get comfortable with modulating rhythms within the beat, as well as keeping time and the whole cycle with the hands. So it's multiple things going on at the same time.